Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another hair video. Your girl is doing the sew-in, but first let's give a huge shout out to Queen Weave Beauty for sending me these amazing bundles. Like, they are so gorgeous. But here I'm just showing y'all all the information they sent me. So instructions, how to care for the hair, all that. And here are the bundles. I got it in 18, 20, 22, and 24. And as you see, I'm showing y'all the texture of the 18. And this hair is beautiful. Like, look at the quality. So to start off, I'll be dyeing the hair with the L'Oreal Absolute Platinum Hair Dye. And I went platinum because I want the hair to lift as light as it can. And anytime you use box dye, it doesn't get as light because you're not using like bleach. So yeah, you're going to shake all those products up, lay your hair down, and get ready to apply the dye. So I'm just dyeing the hair section by section, and I'm kind of doing it a little messy because I don't want the highlights to be perfect. Like, I kind of want that messy look. So yeah, we're just taking a couple pieces, applying the dye, running it through each strands of the hair. And yeah, we're going to repeat this step about 5 to 8 more times. All right, so after 20 minutes, I'm washing out all that dye. For shampoo and conditioner, I'll be using the Moroccan oil and the conditioner that came with the dye. And the first thing you want to do is just shampoo the hair, make sure that all that bleach is out. Then wash it out, go in with your conditioners. I'm doing two conditioners because after bleaching, your hair need as much moisture as it can get. So I do a shampoo, condition, rinse, and call it a day. So this is the other two lengths I'll be using, just the 20 and the 22. I'm not using all four bundles because I don't think that much hair is needed. So yeah, as y'all see, I am sewing in the hair. I actually start from the side of my hair because that's where the braid starts. So I'm taking that needle and thread and just looping the track with the braid. And it's kind of hard to explain, so I'm more of a visual learner, guys. Just like watch to kind of learn. But yeah, I'm just kind of doing those same motions over again, looping the track around the braid. Ooh, child, my kitchen looked toe up. It looked like I got a bald spot and everything. I don't know what's going on with the back of my head, but I promise y'all, I do not got no bald spot. I don't know what happened to the back of my head, but let's just focus on sewing the hair. Let's focus on that. So here I'm just re-looping that thread into the needle so I can continue my sewing, continue sewing these tracks down to these braids. All right, so I finished that second track off camera. As y'all see, I'm going in with the last one, the bleached, and I'm putting that at the top so I can kind of have a layered highlight effect. And as y'all see, I'm just sewing that down the same way I've been doing. So now I'm just tying that thread so the track doesn't get loose. But that is it for the sew-in. I'm about to do my leave out off camera and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? Give me a rating from 1 to 5. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's a 5. Mind you, this is my first time doing a traditional install. Amateur. I did what I had to do. I think it looks really, really good. So, like I said, I only put 3 bundles in, the 18, 20, and 22. It looks really good, really natural. Looks like my real hair. I'm gonna leave all the details in the box below, so make sure y'all check that out. So make sure y'all follow me on my social media so y'all can see how I wear this hair. I'll have that in the box below too. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all turn on my post notifications so y'all know when I'm uploading another video. And I'll see y'all on my next video.